everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am TeachTech and today I have something exciting for you. If you have ever wanted to create stunning videos but felt overwhelmed by complex editing softwares, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through Minitool Movie Maker, an easy to use yet powerful video editing software. Whether you are a beginner looking to create your first video or someone who wants to edit content quickly without dealing with a steep learning curve, this software has got you covered. Here's what you will learn in this video: how to import and arrange your clips, how to add transitions, effects and text, how to enhance your videos with music and filters, how to export your final masterpiece in high quality. So, stick around till the end because I will be sharing some pro tips to make your videos look more professional. Alright, let's dive in and start creating amazing videos with Minitool Movie Maker. To start with the installation process, go to this site moviemaker.minitool.com and you can see the multiple information about Minitool Movie Maker. Go down. First, let's look into the hardware and software requirement for installing this software. So these are the features. If you go down, you can see the tech specification. You need to have a minimum of Windows 11 or Windows 10 64-bit OS. A minimum of 8 GB RAM is required. For GPU, it can be Intel HD Graphics 5000 or later, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 700 or later, AMD Radeon R5 or later, and please keep your graphics driver updated. For CPU, it's better to have Intel i5 or more than 2 GHz plus processor. Intel 6th generation or newer is recommended. For disk, 10 GB free hard disk SSD are recommended. So now you can go to this free download button and download the Movie Maker installation file. Since it's already downloaded over here, I'm going to open this file. Okay, now you can just double click this exe file, which is just downloaded. Select yes. Since I have already installed this software, I'm not going to install it again. You can just easily set up this Minitool software by just clicking on all the default options and moving on to the next. It's very easy to install this software. You can do it by yourself. So after you install it, you can go to start and search for Minitool Movie Maker. Okay, this is the first screen that you see. Here you can choose the aspect ratio based on your requirement. Normally, if you want to make the video that should be played on TVs or laptop screens, then it should be 16:9 widescreen ratio. And for if you want to have a portrait, then choose this aspect ratio. Or if you want to make a video for Instagram, you can choose this aspect ratio. For now, I'm going to choose the 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio and select a new project. Here you can see multiple video tutorials that is helpful for us to create a video editing through Minitool Movie Maker. If you want to open the existing project, you can click on this open project option. For now, I'm going to click on new project. So this is the overall screen for Minitool Movie Maker. So let's understand the menus. Here you can import your media files, either that could be your image, text or audio video file. If you want to have audio into your video, then you can download audio from this audio library, or you can just upload the audio library from media option. And for adding text, you can go to this text menus, and you can see multiple animations of text that you want to add on. You can choose the text from here. If you want to make the transition between multiple videos, then you can select multiple kind of transitions from here, like fade black, fade grayscale. There are a lot of transitions that you can use, and there are some of the custom transitions which you have to download explicitly to use. For adding effects, you can just go to this effect option and select any effects that you want to add. For adding filters, filters helps us to edit the videos. Like for example, if you have to make a warm effect on your video, then you can select this warm. There are multiple effects, multiple filters. Similarly, if you want to add some custom elements, then you can go to this element option. These are some of the elements that is already provided. And for motion, like zoom in center or pan down, for example, you can see the demo over here. If you hover on the menu, you can just check out how it works or how it looks. So without wasting time, now let's create a video from scratch. For that, I need to have video footage. For that, I need to have a video footage. For now, I have used the video footage that is available online freely. If you want to use those footage, you can just go and search for free footage downloads, and you can just go to this Pixels or either Pixabay. For this video, I have downloaded the video file, free video footage from this Pixabay, and my video files are already over here. So these are my video files, video 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to use these videos for editing or for creating a custom video in the software itself. So first go to media and import media files and open this video 1, video 2 and video 3. Or you can open the video file that you are going to use on the video. So these are my video footage which I'm going to use on the video editing tutorial, video 1, video 2 and video 3. So for adding the video to the timeline, you have to just go to this video and select plus icon, or you can just click and drag over here on the timeline. So let me add this video 1. Also let me add video 2 and video 3. By default, these videos are added on sequence, video 1, video 2 and video 3. So if you want to play the video 1, just go and put your timer over here. So let's have a look at all the video footage that I'm going to use here. It's the first video footage. It's a beautiful view of the waterfall, and there is the second video footage, video 2. It's also a waterfall. And third video is also about a waterfall. Now first we need to learn the process of adding medias and then importing the medias into the timeline. Now if you want to split these videos into two files, let's say I want to break it down into two video footage, then you can just select the video footage and select this split icon. You can see two video footage is over here. If you want to undo the change, you can just select Ctrl plus Z from the keyboard. Now if you want to add the animation or transition, let's say transition between video 1, video 2 and video 3. Generally I like to have a fade in or fade out transition between my videos. So I will go to this video 1 and place the timeline over here. Now go to the transition and select fade black or fade grayscale. These two are most popular one. You can see the demo of fade grayscale, and you can see the demo of fade black. Okay, I think fade grayscale would look much better. So click on this plus icon. So after you click on this plus icon, you can see the transition is added over here. And if you want to increase the transition time, then you can use this slider to increase or decrease the time. So let's see how it looks now. Play. Okay, this looks fine. Let's add the same effect to video 2 and video 3 as well. So I will go to video 2 and place my timer over here and go to the fade grayscale on the transition menu and select plus. Also increase the timer 2. Okay, so you can also have multiple transition mode, overlap or prefix or postfix. So let's say I want to add prefix. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, this transition mode prefix will only create the effect on the video 2, and it will no it doesn't have any effect on video 3. So I think having overlap is better. You can experiment on your own with overlap, prefix or postfix. So this looks fine. So this is how you can add transitions on your video footage. You can go and check out multiple transition types that you have over here. For example, let's say you can select page curl. If I click on this page curl, okay, now it is using page curl. So let's see how it looks. So it basically holds up the first scene and then goes on to the second scene. I think the earlier one was much better. So I will go to the transition and remove this transition. Press the delete button from the keyboard, and again go to your transition and select the older one, which is fade grayscale. Okay, and increase the duration to 2 seconds overlap. This looks much better. So this is how you can add the transition. So let's say if you want to add a text for some few seconds at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to place the timer on the first part, video, and go to text, and let me add the first title text or whichever that you want. Okay, I'm going to add this caption 5 title plus. Okay, this will display our title. If I want to change the text, I can go over here on the right side and select title, delete the title, and then add, for example, welcome. Only add welcome. So if you want to change the position of the text, you can go over here and place the text wherever you like. Okay, this is fine for me. I'm going to place it over here, and if I want to change the font, select the right font from here. Arial is fine for me. If I want to increase the font size, let me increase the font size to 80. Okay, and also okay, this looks fine now. This is the line spacing. 1 is fine for me. Let's say I want to change it to bold. You can use bold option. Italic. Okay, italic is fine. And on which side you want to align the text? I will align the text to the center. Okay, place it right here. And this is the text color. So you can choose the correct text color for you. For now, I am going to use the white one. Okay, this is the background. If you want to have any background, okay, I don't want to have any background over here. Okay, now let's see how it looks like at the beginning. So go to the timeline and place your timer on the first, and the text appears right here. Let's say I want to have a different style on my text. Okay, so you can choose multiple kind of text styling over here. Okay, let me go and add this style. And this adds the text on the same timeline. Okay, let me delete the text first and delete this one as well. Paste the timeline at the beginning and click on this. Okay, so let's give a text, welcome to the video. Okay, this is going to be the text. Adjust the position, font, text. Okay, this looks fine now. Adjust the position. Okay, welcome to the video. Now you can see the first scene. Let's add a transition over here. Go to transition. Let's add this one. Increase the duration. Okay, so this is all about text and transitions. Now let's go to the effects. Okay, let's say I want to begin the video of this first video one with the black in. Okay, so I'm going to select the video footage and first download the black in effect, and now click on plus. Okay, place the timer. Now select the black in, play the video. The black in effect is right now. Okay, now if you want to add other effects, you can go here and look at the demo of the effects first and choose the effect and place it at the right place that you want to have. Now let's go to filter. So if I want to so let's see the difference between the original video and the video after adding some effects. So let's add this warm effect. Click on plus. Now let's play the video first. You can see the difference after adding the warm effect. So let me increase the warm effect length so that it applies over all the videos. Okay. I'm going to place the black effect above and increase the warm effect length. Now let's see. Let's try some other effects for this second and third video. Okay, let's try with the art. Click on plus and let's see how it looks like. Okay, if this effect looks good to you, you can just expand the effect and add the effect on your video. For now, I'm going to remove that effect. So this is all about the filters. So if you want to add other filters, you can go here and choose the filter and add on your video. If you want to add other filters, you can just go to this filter section and add the filters as you like. Now let's go to the elements. So let's say I want to add this element at the end of the video. So at the end, I want to request my viewers to subscribe to the channel so that they will never miss an update on my video. For that, I'm going to go to the end of my video footage and now click on this element so that whenever I play this video at the end, there is an element displaying about the like and subscribe button. So let's change the position of this element at the bottom right. Play the video again. Okay, this looks good now. Now at the end, let's add a blackout effect over here at the end of the video. So I'm going to add the blackout effect. Okay, so let me increase. Let's play. Okay, the blackout effect looks good. So we have learned to add the element. So you can now add multiple elements that you like from here. Now let's go to motion. So for example, I want to have this video 3 footage with this zoom in center. Like I want to zoom in into the waterfall main section. I don't want to have this trees focused, but I want to focus on only the waterfall. So for that, I can just select the video footage and click on this zoom in center motion, and I want to have this motion throughout the video. So as you can see, this is going to zoom in into the center part and creates a very good effect. Let's move this above and the other track. Expand this, zoom in center motion, and now this is fine. Let's play the video. Okay. Also now let's look here on the other options that is available. So for example, if I want to increase or decrease the speed of this video, so go to the video and select speed. You want to have slow or fast or reverse. So I think I want to have it fast. So let's select 2x. Now it's going to decrease the length of the video, because if I play the video faster, obviously the length will get decreased. I'm going to adjust these according to the video. Let's move right here. Okay, now let's see. Okay, this is also fine. You can also zoom in and zoom out your timeline. Okay, now the last part, you can go to the audio section. To add the audio and choose any of the audio that you like from the audio library, default audio library. If you don't want to use this audio library, you can go to media and import media files and select the audio file that you would like to have it on the video. So for example, I want to have this free audio underbelly and TY my mare trickle of water.mp3. This audio I have downloaded from the YouTube audio library platform. So this is the free audio. Select open it. Okay, it's available over here. Now click on plus. So this audio is added right here at the bottom. So video 1 footage, it has already built-in audio. So that's why I want to start this audio from video 2. So that the video 1 audio and the another audio that I have added is not collided. So with this is the final video that I have created. You can watch it from the beginning to see if there could be any addition. Okay, I can see the audio file is too much lengthy, but the video is ended over here. That means we can just go to this part and cut the audio. remove the remaining audio part, and for this audio part we can fade out the audio as well. Filters, audio fading. Do I have that effect, audio fading? Okay, you can fade out the audio by default. On you can see, select the audio file first, and on the top right corner you can see fade out. So I want to fade out after 5 seconds. So this is fine now. Okay, now everything looks good to me, so I'm going to export the video. So for that, go to the export option. Now you can see multiple settings. Let's see, for PC, for device. Okay, I'm going to select the PC. The file name can be waterfall video, and you can choose the location where you want to download the edited video. I'm going to select desktop. Format is MP4, it's fine. Highest resolution, okay, I can select 1920 by 1080, and frame rate, okay, 30 fps is fine. FPS. Okay, let's export now. Okay, the video is exported, and let's look at the final video. This is the video. This is it. Since I have used the free version of the Minitool Movie Maker, you can see there is a free edition limitation. You can only export the first 3 videos without the length limit, and afterwards export video up to 2 minutes in length. So if you want to upgrade, then you can go here and choose the best plan that suits you, and enter the license key after you get the license once you buy the Minitool software. So after you export the video, you can save your project, so that next time if you would like to add some other things in your video project, then you can do it So for that, to save your project, go to this icon, go to File, and click on Save Project As, and go to your location, for example desktop, and give your file name as waterfall video project. Select save. After that, you can close, and on your desktop you can see waterfall video project, and if you start it, open, waterfall, so with this now you can start working on this waterfall video editing project again. So this is it for this video. I hope you like this full video tutorial for Minitool Movie Maker, and also I would like to thank Minitool Movie Maker for supporting this video. You can find the download link for Minitool Movie Maker and all the details on the description box below. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.